everyone, I went to Beverly Hills not too long ago and stayed at the Sofitel Beverly Hills Hotel. And I wanted to show you all the amenities, the room, and the lobby area. So starting with the lobby area, to the left here, as soon as you walk in, this is where you will check in and check out. And then they do have a very modern lobby with a lot of mirrors. They do have an NFL shop where you can buy clothes. If you are going to a game while you're here, I was here during football season, so this was open every single day. And then they do have a restaurant here on the first level, which has a bar, indoor seating, and outdoor seating. So to the right, that's where the bar is, but it's closed right now. But when you come in, you can have drinks and food inside in this lounge area. And they do have tables set up as well. And I just loved the outdoor area here because they did have a bar. They had outdoor seating. You could just hang out here if you wanted to. You could come out here and eat as well. They had a chicken sandwich, which was very good. And the fries were amazing also. So I did enjoy this area. You do get a little sound from the streets, so you do hear cars. But other than that, it's very private and pretty. Now coming back in and upstairs, this is the second level. You can come up here and hang out as well. You can see down to the lobby and you can take the stairs or the elevator to this level. And then down this hallway here, you can access the pool. So the pool is small. This is a boutique hotel, so I didn't expect anything to be too large. I came down these stairs to get to the pool, so now I'm going back up to the patio area, where you can just lounge here, sunbathe, or hang out. And this really was a nice size space. So they had a lot of chairs set up, a lot of tables. So really good space if you do have a few people joining you to come up here and utilize the space to hang out with them. And now I'm going back to the hotel. And as I'm going across this bridge to the right, they do have a nice size mall across the street. I didn't get to go, but I heard it was pretty nice and they had a lot of stores. So now going into my room on the fourth floor, first thing you see to the left is the closet, which has the safe, coffee maker, robe, ironing board, iron, and slippers. And then next on the left here, this is where the snacks and drinks are. So I didn't know what would be in here. I opened it. And there were actually more drinks in a cooler here and cups. So you had alcohol, water, sparkling water. Of course, you have to pay for all of these things, but they had a nice selection there. And then to the right, you will see the bathroom. And this was a really nice sized bathroom. As you can probably tell from the video, the room itself is pretty dark, but I really enjoyed this bathroom. Even with the lights on the mirror here, I still had a hard time seeing myself when I was applying eyeliner, but again, enjoyed this room. So the shower actually has a frosted window, which at night you could actually see through to the room. So I'm assuming you could see through to the shower as well on the other side. But I loved the size of this shower. That loofah that they put in there is amazing. I took one home and loved that it had a seat in the shower as well. So I could just lay things there if I needed to. And then again, you get another robe here. And now let's make our way to the bedroom. So the bed was a very nice size bed. I can't remember if it was a queen or a king. It looks like it was a king, but very comfortable. And love that we had the desk, a lot of space to put things down. And I utilized all of that space, all the counter space and desk space. And they actually had music playing in the room on this radio when I walked in. There's that frosted window again, so you can see where you may or may not be able to see into the shower. And then nice little flat screen TV as well. And I just loved the size of this room. I thought it was the perfect size for a hotel room. Now looking out of the Juliet balcony, because this is not really a balcony you can walk out on, I did have a very nice view. There were one or two schools out here, so you could hear children throughout the day. Didn't bother me too much. You could close the door and shut out that sound if you needed to, but really enjoyed getting that natural breeze into the room with the doors. So I really loved this hotel and would stay here again. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.